Okay, success criteria M here, guys. Calculating probabilities using two-way tables involving and, or, and not. Okay. Table here has been completed. Okay, the blank spots have been filled in, and we've got some questions down the bottom here. First one just looks at probability of selecting a boy. Okay, now there's only one set of data mentioned there. Okay, so to calculate this one where we want the probability if we select a boy at random, we look across and we see how many boys there are, okay, which is 407 out of a total of 831 students. Okay, so that's that one there. Now again, with probabilities like you've been shown all unit, convert that to a decimal. Okay, it's easy to compare decimals rather than fractions if we're looking at comparing the probability of one event over another. Second one starts to use that word and. Okay, so probability that we select a boy and they're in year 10. Okay, now the set of data that's mentioned first is boys. So we are now just looking at this set of data here. Okay, now within those boys, which we have 407 of them, we want to look at how many of them are in year 10, which is 133. Now 133 out of 407, rounded to two decimal places, is a probability of 0.33. Okay, so again, the boy component of that probability question was mentioned first, so we are just looking at the boys, and then within that boys, we're looking for ones that are in year 10. Next one down here says that we want to find the probability of selecting at random a girl and they're in year 10 or 11. So we've got a combination of and or within this one here. So what's mentioned first is the girls. Okay, and we've got 424 of them. So total sample size there is 424. Within those girls, we want to find the probability that they're in year 10 or 11. Okay, now the two that we're going to be adding together are these two here, because that word or, okay, in probability refers to addition, whereas the word and is a multiplication. All right, so we're looking at, out of 424, we've got a total of 270 who are in year 10 or 11, and that converts down to a decimal of 0.64. Okay, now question 4 over on the right hand side here is we want to find the probability that they are not a girl. The student we select, we want to find the probability that they are not a girl. So that means we want to find however many people are not girls. All right, so within this one here, this many people are not girls, okay, which would give us 407 out of 831. Same again, it's really important that we go and convert that to a decimal, and we get an answer of 0.49 for that one as well.